Open ULO Learn website in Chrome. Open Google Chrome on your mobile or computer. In the address bar, type uolo.com. Press enter. Choose ULO Learn from the website. Make your robot move to create shapes like squares and rectangles to practice its movements. Need help? Follow the given steps. 1. Click on the control category from the blocks panel. 2. Drag the My Program block to the workspace area to begin your program. 3. Drag the Set Pen block from the robot category and drop it inside the My Program block. 4. This block is set to on by default. Select any color of your choice from the color box. 5. To make a square shape, move the bot forward by dragging and dropping the Move Robot and block from the robot category. Type 4000 in the value box of the block. 6. Now, stop the bot for 1000 milliseconds by dragging and dropping the Stop Robot for Time block. This block is set to 1000 ms by default. 7. Now, drag and drop the Turn Robot and block. Select the right option from the drop-down to make it turn right. 8. Post taking a right, stop the bot for 1000 ms. 9. Now, move the bot forward for 4000 ms and then stop. 10. Repeat the above steps 7 to 9 until you create all 4 sides of the square shape. The final code should look like this.